Here we go again, guys. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1977 Ford LTD2. This comes from Joel in Cooks, Michigan. Joel has requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased output power because we're going with a new harness in place of the original connectors. And he's also requested the Bluetooth and USB features. So let's make sure it all works before we send her back. Let's turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright issues. So here we go.
Is because we don't do medicine here. We do the law, and the law is...
Alrighty, so we're going to demonstrate our balance, our virtual balance and fader controls. It's all in the tone control. The original fader is no longer used because they have a limited lifespan. So let's go ahead and see if we can adjust the front rear fader action.
Fabulous. And it's only 4 pages long. I want to read you one line. In short, a press release is not a pardon.
Fader adjust.
Press release linked by Hunter.
Front,
the Constitution
rear,
provides the President with
front,
broad authority to grant
rear,
reprieves and pardons for offenses against the United States, but nowhere does
Fader set.
okay.
the authority
Left,
to
right,
rewrite
balance.
history. And he basically...
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Biden for attempting to
left,
argue his own Department of
all the way
Justice
right,
is prosecuting
left,
Hunter Biden.
right.
Does anyone believe that? Do you think,
Okay.
Noah? Do you think anyone on the left even believes that?
Balance
Balance
set.
it. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes in the pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure it plays music off of a USB stick. Got my radio commercial right here.
Consummate observer of rule.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69, but she ain't sounding so fine.
Administration was
Alrighty.
deferential.
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So we're going to switch to FM.
And my choice is not in this
radio.
Scanning for stations.
Okay. That was an accidental deal there.
musician.
Okay,
Probably
let's
find
try
a
the
new
8-track.
song.
Got some Neil Sedaka.
He's a poet.
If you're feeling low down, you're gonna put her down. I whisper, what you doing to me? My heart goes tick, flown the coop, knocked the blue. She's the one I dream of.
We are his sheep and
Okay, pull the tape out, the radio comes back. Let's test the dial light, make sure those come on, and they do. You can't see it, but I can. It's just a real soft green glow. So she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. So... I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And off that website, all you got to do is read the first page of the website. Please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions. If you're serious about sending your radio in, you're going to have to fill one out anyway. So go ahead and download it. Get my prices, options, and turn time options off the work order before calling me with questions. That way, if you do need to call me, it's only for like a few minutes to clear up a last-minute question or a misunderstanding instead of a half an hour of what all do you do and how much does it cost. I'm not able to process that, guys. So please do that research before calling me. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks for watching and listening. Thank you, Joel, for your business all the way from Cooks, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.